Hey guys, it's Rahul here from TechReview Pro and welcome back to another video. In today's video, you will learn how to apply strike through to text in MS Word. So if you want to apply strike through or double strike through to text in MS Word, this is the video you need to watch. Now without any further delay, let's start and learn how to apply strike through to text in MS Word. So we have got some text here, and in order to apply strike through to this text, what we need to do is we simply need to select this text, and after that if you hover over the cursor here, you will see strike through option. So you simply need to click on that and this will apply strike through to this text in MS Word. If you want to remove strike through to any text in MS Word, you need to simply select the text like this, and after that you need to click on this strike through option again, and this will remove the strike through from text in MS Word. And by the way, there is a shortcut as well for applying strike through to text in MS Word. If you are a Windows user, you need to press Ctrl+Shift+X, and if you are a Mac user, you need to simply press Command+Shift+X, and this will apply strike through to any text in MS Word. Now let's see how to apply double strike through to text in MS Word. So we are going to apply double strike through to this text in MS Word. So we simply need to select this text on which we want to apply double strike through, and after that, once this is selected, you simply need to go to font options. For that, you need to click on format, and when you click on that, you will get the option to go to font settings in MS Word. Alternatively, you may also press Command+D shortcut to open font settings. Now once you are here, you simply need to select the option that says double strike through under effects. So under the font effects, you will get these options and you need to select double strike through, and once that is selected, you simply need to press OK to apply this, and now you can see the double strike through has been added to the text in MS Word. Now, if we want to remove double strike through from text in MS Word, what we need to do is we need to go to font effects option again, and for that you may press Command D on Mac or Control D on Windows. So I'll press Command D and this will open font effects settings, and under effects I'll simply need to uncheck double strike through, and this will remove double strike through from text in MS Word. So that is how you can apply strike through and double strike through to text in MS Word, as well as how you can remove strike through and double strike through from text in MS Word. I hope you found this video helpful. If yes, please hit the like button to let me know, and if you have got any questions, please feel free to ask in the comments below. I'll try my best to help. Thanks for watching.